like for the.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah. It's the thing I really.
That was like your background at one point.
Yeah. I love that design.
Stay.
Cool. It's like something wave.
The retro wave.
278.
Cool.
Like it just looks so cool. I love it.
Dude, I was talking with Ryan all day about track or something. I was like, you know, there's a chance that we don't have a workout today or some shit. And like, we definitely had a workout today, but since you're not going and Patrick's not going, and like, I don't. Yeah, I just didn't really feel like going at all. I just didn't.
I didn't feel. Well, also I have an injury.
I mean, I have an injury if you count the back of my calf, because that is like.
If you count my brain, that's an injury.
Okay.
Speaking of your brain, Gavin, you might get something from me today, depending on how it plays out.
Please give me some. Don't give Ava. Give me it. Give me it.
Jack.
What?
Jack, I got chug splashes.
No, not
Come here.
I deserve.
Oh,
it
look
more.
at this.
Wow.
Jack, you've known me longer.
It's a really
You've known
cool
me
wave.
longer. Jack, you've known me for longer.
Actually,
time.
technically, I've known her longer.
How? What grade?
We were friends in like, what, first grade?
Fuck. Well, Jack, you've talked to me
You've been
for a
outsourced.
longer time
Kevin.
and more time.
Kevin, I'm giving her a small cutout of what I think is Aaron Yeager.
Is it?
Swear to
I
God,
Do you
think-
even know if it is?
I think it is. Because I
Send a
looked, I was
picture.
like, okay, let me look at it again.
Hit the
Yeah, I'm
button.
pretty sure that's Aaron Yeager.
Aaron Yeager.
Oh, yo, Jack, what
Aaron.
healing you got?
Don't say it, Gavin.
Wait, so didn't you say there was a second thing?
Hmm?
Didn't
Jack,
you say
what
there was a
healing
second
you got?
thing?
What, Gavin?
You said there's a second, like a box thing. I don't know what you're talking about. But when you're talking,
Yeah.
you said that.
Hold up, Greg. I'm sending.
We got. Hold on, please. I'm gonna drive a car to you. We gotta get in the car.
Greg, get a Lambo.
This isn't really the same as a Lambo, but you know, it gets the job
It's a
done.
quad crasher. I'm gonna kill
It's
myself.
just get Jack, please. The storm is right here.
Oh, sorry. I was sending the
There
picture.
you go.
What the fuck?
I love Fortnite.
Guys,
Use button, please.
I think it'd literally be faster to get
No.
one of the. Okay, no,
Where's
we're
the
going.
That way.
Okay.
Still on,
Going straight off the cliff.
still on dangerous.
Gavin, is that Aaron Yeager?
Aaron
I don't
Yeager.
know. I'll be honest.
I think it is.
Aaron Yeager is like a split part.
Insert.
You know
Aaron
that-
Yeager, season 1.
Honestly, this isn't even that slow for like this huge ass truck.
It kind of looks like him.
Yeah, it kind of looks like it. Let me. What show is this called?
Attack
Oh.
on Titan.
No, Mini Auto. Wait, actually, that might be the company that made the car.
For
Diecast.
some reason, it just doesn't like to be nice. Like it
When you guys are done, can you invite me?
Yeah.
Mini
Jack, you almost to the eye.
diecast cars.
Oh, we running low on fuel, Jack.
It's fine. We're almost there.
We're almost.
Yeah,
Guys are
Joe.
running on fuel.
Joe's popping off.
Click.
Mini
Done.